What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and on the desk we got my Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, and we got the leather cover from Samsung for this device, guys. I was looking for, it's a really cool device. I needed some really cool protection, guys. And the thing was, I tried the clear cases, guys. I went for the clear cases, but the clear cases just didn't do it for me. So we gotta try this out. As you can see, it's the leather OEM Samsung case. Picked it up on Amazon, put the link in the description. So you can see, okay, we open the package, not really important on the packaging, typical Samsung packaging, guys. The clear cases I got, it was getting too fingerprinty also. So I was like, let me try this leather case. This looks so dope, guys. So I wanted to really try it on this device. This is like the Christmas fall mood. Let's go ahead and just unbox it, guys. Got that up off. Let's see, let's open it up. Easy. And you can feel that leather. That leather is definitely genuine, guys. You can really feel it's not like no faux leather. It's like a leather jacket. It's like an Avirex. It's like a Pelly. As you can see, we got some nice like suede type interior, so you won't scratch your device, guys. And we do have some tape for the bottom, some adhesive. So here we go. We got some adhesive. Let's get that off. Let's get it off so we can get it nice and crispy, guys. Here we go. A little darker than the device, guys. But I really wanted something green, something that was going to match the device, and something that was going to look good. So this looks nice and classy. Something I could really, this is the type of phone you whip out. And this is a boss type case. So we're going to go ahead and just install this thing, guys. See how it looks on the device. There we go. Snaps on easily. Got the tape exposed that way, because I gotta get rid of these fingerprints, guys. They just, they're annoying. I clean the phone up after I get this nice install going. Let me make sure these are nice and equal. Got that nice install going. As you can see, we got the nice cutout still for everything. Nice cutout for the screen. Let me go ahead and clean the screen up, guys. All right, guys, screen nice and clean. You see how good that leather looks, guys. I wish you could feel it. I wish y'all could feel it through YouTube. Feels really good, guys. You see, got us nice little cutout for the power button, because definitely gotta have that cutout. That's our fingerprint scanner, and we have the volume rocker. Let's open it up. Got a little raised lip protection. Just very little raised lip protection. Not a lot of raised lip protection on this thing. There it is, guys. That's pretty dope. Looks pretty good, guys. I'm gonna see how I hold up. Y'all follow me on Instagram, BG_TechLife. Follow me on Twitter, BG_TechLife. And I'll let y'all know how this is keeping up, because I'm not doing a whole bunch of cases on this phone, guys. This is my personal use phone. Kinda wanna keep it looking like this. This looks pretty good to me. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comment section. Your man, BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.